Hello my quilting friends, Leah Day here with our last video for the Rainbow Stars quilt. You can see I am filling in our last section with a straight line design called Modern Weave. It's one of my favorite triangle designs and I think you're going to love it too. So here are the rules for the design. You first stitch out with a triangle shape, and that's as easy as just working off of a straight line and branching out with two more lines to form a point. You've got yourself a triangle. Now I'm going to travel stitch and I'm going to just pick a point to run up against. So I'm travel stitching down and I'm running right up against that point, and that filled that space with beautiful straight line quilting. So now I'm going to travel stitch and I think I'm going to pick the opposite point and just run some lines back and forth into that area. So you can see it forms kind of a random texture. You don't really know what you're going to get as you're forming the shape. One thing that can happen is you might end up with something that's not really a triangle, like what I'm in right now is not really a triangle. So I can break it up and form a triangle. So here's a little triangle I just created off the side that I still don't have a triangle exactly over here. I think that's called a parallelogram. I don't know. And I can just form two triangles just by cutting it right in half. And I'll fill that little area with more straight line quilting. So a little bit of travel stitching and a little bit of planning if you want to think about it. But really, I think that this design flows and forms very, very easily. And even if you stitch yourself into a corner, you can always travel stitch your way back out again. You're never going to get stuck. So Modern Weave, I think, has a very beautiful texture, and it's going to work great in spaces like this where you have lots of room to expand, lots of room to stitch all of your straight lines, but it also could easily work in spaces where you don't have as much area to expand. You could stitch this on a really small scale, and I think it would look wonderful. So that's it for Modern Weave. Definitely give this design a try and share a picture with me on the Leah Day Quilting Facebook group. So that's it for this video. If you'd like to join in the fun, click right here to download this free quilt pattern at leahday.com. We're going to be sharing new machine quilting videos on this project every day this week. So make sure to tune in and check out all of the videos. Make sure to like them and share them with your friends. And you'll definitely learn more about piecing, walking foot quilting, and free motion quilting with this fun project. So check it out at leahday.com/rainbow. And until next time, let's go quilt.